Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today I'm going to share my latest haul from a recent local train show. Despite being a small show, I feel really good about some of the purchases I made. You can never have too many trees or die-cast cars for your train layout. I was able to get these quality 1/43 scale classic die-cast cars for $5 a piece, farm fresh. I've set them on my layout and have details toward the end of the video. I was also able to get a gateman and coal loader as backup accessories for my post-war layout. I picked up the Type V transformer as a project as it needs a new plug. Also got the post-war Burlington GP7 shell to attach to a chassis I've had for a while. Just something about the old 6424 flat car with the 2-car load. Couldn't pass that up either. Now for the engines. I have really been on the lookout for a decent post-war 623 Santa Fe diesel switcher that complements my 622 Bellringer. This one runs great, looks good, and a great addition to the collection. Next up is the 671. Even though I already have one, this one was in really good condition and came with the highly sought after 2046W Pennsylvania tender with whistle. Like the 6424, there is just something about Lionel 686 turbine style steam locomotives. And again, at the price, I couldn't pass it up. The smoke bot needed a little attention, but other than that, a little lubrication, I was able to get it up and running on the layout in no time. Let's get these running on the layout. Sit back and enjoy. In closing, hope you enjoyed seeing my latest acquisitions. With the current market conditions, it's really a good time to get into the hobby, or as a current enthusiast, expand your existing collections. The post-war era locomotives and rolling stock are really affordable right now. And since they were built to last, will be great runners for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.